all. You don't want to talk to me.
I'm mad at you, Mikey.
What? About what?
This is my high white friend right here.
Cousin. You're showing the window.
Oh. Yeah, that's my cousin-in-law. Yeah.
Why you bad?
I'm ghetto like that. I'm ghetto like having a busted window in the back. Y'all see that shit? Look at that. I'm driving around with a busted window. You know what I'm saying?
It's trash.
Daughter chilling. You know what I'm talking about? Look at all that. You know I'm ghetto. Shit, I'm ghetto like this. Like just driving and you see a motherfucker doing this right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but look at this motherfucker here dancing. Look. Get him. Alright, dude. Oh shit. I'm ghetto like saying a motherfucker, that bald head, funny looking motherfucker in some short shorts, you feel me? Shit.
Them boy shorts.
That's ghetto. Wow, you know this Florida. Alright, peace. Stuff.